Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by confirming account details and clearing dues so Jio accepts a shift request. This prevents delays. Once done, note your registered mobile and new address exactly, because technicians use them. Call customer care or open the My Jio app and select shift request, fill required fields and upload ID. Make sure to choose a convenient appointment window and confirm technician contact. This first step initiates logistics and ensures equipment and permissions are ready before the physical move. Once the shift is scheduled, you prepare the new premises so installation is quick. Measure and mark the desired router location near a power outlet. Plan cable routing to avoid long exposed runs. Make sure landlord or society security allows technician access and book elevator or parking if needed. Communicate special building rules to the technician when they arrive. This detailed prep reduces on-site time and additional charges, while ensuring the technician can complete the setup in one visit. You supervise the installation, watch the fiber termination, ONT activation, and router configuration so settings match your plan. Once the technician completes activation, run a speed test and confirm expected throughput. Ask them to note the MAC ID and activation timestamp for your records. If speeds are low or connection drops, reboot the router and reseat fiber and power cables. Make sure WAN link LEDs are steady. If problems persist, escalate to customer care with the documented MAC ID and appointment reference.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.